Alright, so what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm extremely excited to announce something. I got recently picked up or pre-ordered a specific virtual reality headset. And I picked it up today and I actually have it right here now with me. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video right now. So that's right, I got the Oculus Quest version 2 and I am really excited to dig into this. Now unfortunately I do not have a top-down camera, so this is your only viewing point so far, so apologies for that. So let's discuss what's on the box. Obviously we got a few games here. We got the new Star Wars games. What is it called? Star Wars Tales from the Galaxy's Edge. I think that's the Climb 2. Jurassic World Aftermath. We have Facebook Horizon, which I'm in the beta, and we have Population 1, which I'm also in that beta too, and we have the Beat Saber, which has been out for a while now. So it looks a lot thinner than the original Quest box. The Quest box version 1 was like this freaking big. It was huge. But this is the 256 gigabyte. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it is the 256 gigabyte because I was running out of storage a lot on my other Oculus. So this is a Facebook product, which means that you have to sign into a Facebook account. If you don't, you will have to create one, as stated right here on the box. And pretty much every side of the box it says from Facebook and things of that sense. So now I'm going to be. This is my very first unboxing video, so might not be the greatest unboxing ever, so please bear that in mind. It says we have included inside the box the VR headset, obviously, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, and a glasses spacer with a charging cable. Now I heard the cable is rather short, so I have my Oculus Quest charger cable. Now I heard that this comes with out of the box with about a 40% charge. So you will get about 45 minutes to an hour of playtime before this thing dies on you. So just bear that in mind. You might want to charge it before actually setting it up, before actually playing it, because it's going to take you some time to set up and stuff like that. Which brings me to my next point. The only thing you will need to set this thing up is a tablet or a phone. And that is only to install the app, the Oculus app, to set this thing up. And after that, you do not need the app, although you might want to keep it just in case you want to change or add another payment method, which you will need the Oculus app for that, because this does not have that option. Which honestly, most of the things you need to do to set up is actually in here. You just need to sign into your Facebook account on your phone and pair your controllers, and that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to be doing a strictly unboxing video. So let's get right into the meat here. So there we go. Got a piece of tape. Move that over there. So this just slide right off, like the original box did. And you have this nice brown box with the Oculus logo. But let's get right into. Oh god, that feels so cool. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna open it, but it's just nothing's better. I'm so pretty excited right now. I'm so stoked. Here, I'm gonna put this so I get this out of review. So I'm really excited to try out these new controllers. Oh my god, these feel amazing in my hands. I mean, it's gonna take some. Now I have the Oculus Quest, the one right here. So as you can see, there's a huge difference between these two controllers. Like, these are both the right hand controllers, so I'm not really getting a good view. Like this thing, just take my word for it. Like, I like the way this one is set up a lot more, because I have pretty big hands. I can pummel a basketball pretty easily, and this fits it just right. Oh my god, that feels freaking amazing. Now it's gonna take some getting used to. Obviously, I'm used to these itty bitty little controllers now. But I can immediately point out that the the trigger is a lot bigger, and this it's kind of a weird. Let me get this tape. Now it's kind of a weird texture. It's oh yeah, it's gonna take a lot more effort. But the previous generation of controllers had like this sort of grip on the side. Now there's no, it's all smooth right here, which honestly I think is better because when you have grip, you tend to grip on the battery door right here, and it would tend to fall down when I was in an intense Beat Saber match or something like that. But I'm really digging these new layouts. Like you have a little thumb rest right here. I'm pretty sure this has like some sort of like finger sensitivity, so it will detect your thumb if you decide to lay right there. You have the Oculus Home. Like I said, I apologize that I don't have a top-down camera. It'd be a lot easier to show you guys this kind of stuff. But you have like the traditional layout. You have the A, B, and the joystick with the right hand with the controller right here. And now right here, it's the same thing but on the opposite side. But man, these feel great in the hands. Like these fully fill my hands. Like I never felt like I would get hand cramps after about an hour of messing or playing with these. These don't feel. I mean, these feel great in the hands. Don't get me wrong, but these ones feel a lot better. I'm super stoked about these controllers. Honestly, the grip button is a lot protrudes out a lot more. So the way like this one over here, I would always have trouble like in Ocarina. Like I would never fully press this down. I'll try to like, I don't know. I would press it down, but like I wouldn't push up all the way in time for me to like grab a disc again. So these feel really responsive. I'm digging the new triggers. They're a lot thicker. They feel not as springy as these ones right here. This is like a little squeak. I'm really curious to see if these, these particular grips will fit on these controllers. Now I heard the Gamertag VR say that your grips should fit fine, considering that the bottom right here is basically the same. It's just the top of the controllers that are a lot different. So let me put these right here. Now on to the juicy stuff. So we got the. I'm gonna save the Quest for last. We have the charging cable. I think it's about 3 feet or 1 meter. So it's a little. You cannot play Link with this. This is too small. You will have to use a different cord. I don't use Link because I don't have a powerful enough computer, so it doesn't really matter to me. So let me just set this aside. We have a glasses spacer. For those of you who wear glasses like I do, but my glasses are too thick, they're too wide, so they can't really squeeze into the headset. And now, time for the unveiling. Right here. Here is the Oculus Quest. Let me just get this off the desk here. Version 2. Now, it comes with a plastic cover. Let's get this off. You should just be able to peel it right off, which I apparently can't seem to do. There we go. Okay. So one thing I immediately noticed is that this is the old Quest. I have the Quest right here. It's like a mesh, and it's got like, I hated the mesh, honestly. I mean, I didn't really hate it, but I just prefer to be all plastic, which is what this is right here, because when you have a mesh, it's easy to get like your grubby little fingers, your dirt, and things of that such. It's very easy to get dirty, and it's very hard to clean. So let me just put this right here. I'll just move this away from any kind of. So let me just open this up. There we go. Put that down there. So now this is the Quest strap, and now I have big questions. Like I have not big questions, but I'm very curious to see how this will fit my head. As you see, I have a man bun. All right, so I'm very curious to see how this will fit my head. This feels a lot. Oh my god, that feels really soft. I mean, when I first got this one, it did. I got this Quest right here. The facial foam did not feel as soft. It felt like a more. I don't know. It felt very weird. And now BMF said that he said that this does feel like those eggshell crates that you'd put use as like something to lay down on, or like putting a mattress to make it comfier, or more like it's kind of like a memory foam, but it's got like a weird texture, and this definitely does take after that. Now I'm kind of digging it actually. It feels soft, but like I don't know. Now this does have 2 mic jacks, and now something I don't hear a lot of people talk about is the mic quality, and I don't see any microphones in here. It's probably very small, but this has 2. I'm pretty sure the Quest 1 has 1. So theoretically, this should have better audio. I heard that BMF did say that his voice did sound a lot clearer. I cannot confirm or deny that actually. So that's something I'll have to test on my own. But now let's talk about the specs of this thing. Let me just peel this off. I know all you ASMR fans out there. So this is a lot smaller. Like front facing, this is a lot lighter. Obviously, this is going to feel a little bit heavier because it had the head strap on. But even when it had the original Quest strap, this is still a lot lighter. Like, wow, I can feel the difference. It feels really tiny in my hands. You can definitely tell they cheaped out on the strap, but I'd rather have them cheap out on something that is moddable and upgradable than cheap out on the hardware that's powering this power horse right here. So I think most of the decisions were very well made, except for one major decision that was a huge that was a deal breaker for a lot of people, and I'm going to be getting that into a second. So yeah, let's just get right into the thing. So this has I can't really okay, we'll move like that. So this does have an IPD. You just move like this. You just slide it. I don't want to like break it. So that's in stage 3, and you just move back to stage 1. It's pretty easy, but I prefer the IPD on this one. This is my old Quest right here, but hey, it's better than no IPD at all, right? It's better than what the Rift S has, and this also has the highest resolution out of all the Oculus headsets ever created. I forget the resolution. I think this was 1440 by 1600, the original Quest, and this is near 2K per eye. Now I don't know the exact resolution. That's almost a 4K in total because it's one LCD panel, so it's near 4K resolution, which is higher. It's higher than Valve Index's resolution, just by a tad, but it's still really impressive considering this is a mobile headset. You know what I mean? This is very portable. Like, you can take this anywhere, and it's not going to do anything. Now, one thing I did notice right now is the cameras are actually a lot smaller than the ones on the Quest 1. I don't know if you can see it, but the cameras are actually considerably smaller than the Quest 1, and now I've heard this does not affect performance at all. If anything, due to the angles of the bottom ones right here, it improves the tracking when you go under your hand, under the headset. So as you can see, this one's pretty much all forward facing, and these are a little more angled upwards and downwards, so this will improve the tracking when you move your hand like this, or we go down. This thing is running a near 4K resolution, which is 2K per eye, and has 50% more pixels than the Quest 1. And now, being that it is an LCD panel, it's not going to have inky blacks. Like, it's going to be like more of a light gray. Not like a light gray. It's more like a really dark gray, which honestly, if you're in the VR, you're not going to notice it, or you're probably not even going to care at all, because this thing has way more pros than it does the cons. Like you know what I mean? Glasses. So now, as far as the lenses go, it's pretty much the same as the Oculus. It's identical to the Oculus One. So your prescription lenses that will fit on your Oculus Quest 1 will fit on the Quest 2. And I can verify this because a bunch of other YouTubers had said so. I personally, I have not tried it out, but I'm going to take the word for it. And now, as far as the FOV or field of view, it is basically the same as the Quest 1. It's about 100 degrees, 95 to 100 degrees. So it's not, it may be a little bit wider because it's a little bit closer to your eyeballs. As you can see, it's more protruding. Now, what this thing has over any other headset on the market right now, well, most headsets, especially the Quests and the Rifts, is the screen door effect. So for those of you that don't know what a screen door effect is, basically when you're looking through the lenses, you see like a screen door effect. Like it looks like you're looking through a screen door. And that's basically the spaces between each pixels. Now due to the resolution and the more pixels, this is it's basically non-existent in this little containment right here, this little unit. So I had to make sure I'm still recording. When people would be playing, these would move up and down a lot, and I personally did not experience it. But hey, each person's different, so this seems like a lot tougher to move up and down. And that's pretty much all I have to say about the hardware itself. I did purchase the 256 gigabytes because I have a lot of games. So I hate deleting games and reinstalling them because you just lose all of your progress on a lot of games. Now some of the games do have cloud save, which is good. So now I'm gonna put this away for a second here. I'm going to be wrapping up the video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be doing a video, a side-by-side comparison of what the resolution looks like in the inside with the games and stuff like that. I'll also be doing a video on the Walking Dead Saints and Sinners, which I bought, and I cannot wait to try out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I apologize for the non-existent top-down cam. So I can really give you guys the good view of what the actual headset looks like. I tried my best, you know. Remember to like and subscribe and to virtual reality check yourself.